Good evening, and welcome to Night at the Musical. Croeso I Noson o'r Sioe. Heno, da ni'n mynd i chi ar daith. Da ni'n mynd i daith trwy gyfnodau y sioeau cerdd, ac weithio'n ffordd trwodd I y sioeau cyfredol sydd yn y West End ar hyn o bryd, a cwpl o ganeuon sioe cerdd Cymraeg da ni'n ei gyfarwydd I glywed ar lwyfannau ar draws Cymru. This evening we're going to take you on a journey through different musicals, different shows, and come to the shows that are still in the West End at the moment, and some Welsh songs thrown in as well. They're going to dechrau yn y cyfnod cynnar. We'll start in the early period with Oh What a Beautiful Morning, Roger Hammerstein. Then a little bit of Oliver. Nancy will come to the stage and perform As Long as He Needs Me. Then we'll have two pieces from that rock musical, Jesus Christ Superstar. I Don't Know How to Love Him, a Gethsemane. Mwynhewch y slot cyntaf yma, a ma'n ni ddechrau gyda Edward Nos, Oh What a Beautiful Morning.
There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. The corn is as high as an elephant's eye, and it looks like it's climbing clear up to the sky. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. All the cattle are standing like statues. All the cattle are standing like statues. They don't move their heads as they see me ride by. And a little brown maverick is winking her eye. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a beautiful feeling. going my way. All sounds of the earth are like music. All the sounds of the earth are like music. The breeze is so busy, it don't miss our tree. And that old weeping willow is laughing at me. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. Oh, what a beautiful day. Take this cup away from me, for I don't want to taste its poison. Feel it burn me. I have changed. I'm not as sure as when we started. Then I was inspired. Now I'm sad and tired. Listen, surely I've exceeded expectations. Tried for 3 years, seems like 30. Could you ask as much from any other man? What if I died? See the saga through and do the things you ask of me. Let them hate me, hurt me, nail me to their tree. I have to know, I have to know, my God. I have to know, I have to know, my God. I have to see, I have to see, my God. I have to see, I have to see, my God. Why I should die? Would I be more noticed than I ever was before? Would the things I said and done matter anymore? I have to know, my Lord. I have to know, I have to know, my Lord. Have to see, I'd have to see, my Lord. Have to see, I'd have to see, my Lord. If I die, what would be my reward? If I die, what would be my reward? Have to know, I have to know, my Lord. Have to know, I have to know, my Lord. Why should I Can you show me now that I would not be killed in vain? Show me just a little of your omnipresent grace. Show me there's a reason for you wanting me to die, for your power to keep on around now, but not so much of why. Alright, I'll die. Just watch me die. See how I die. See how I die.
you know. I forgot to tell you their names. Oh, What a Beautiful Morning was Emyr Wyn Jones, blwyddyn gyntaf, first year Theatr Cerdded Cyfryngau. Laura Thomas then was Nancy, she's second year. Sioned Besant, wedyn I Don't Know How to Love Him. A Gethsemane Man rwan oedd Luke McCall. Ynta, nifer o'ch chi'n gwybod bod sioe gerdd yn dathlu pen-blwydd eitha, wel, eitha mawr ar hyn o bryd. Les Mis yn dathlu 25 mlynedd. Les Mis is celebrating 25 years. And the next section we're going to do for you are going to be 3 songs from that particular musical. Da ni am ddechrau gyda Je vais, a bydd Emyr yn dod yn ôl I ganu Stars. Wedyn, Sioned Besant wedyn, canu I Dreamed a Dream. And then, you'll see all of them for the first time this evening to sing a very famous medley of songs, One Day More.
Out in the darkness, a fugitive running, fallen from God, fallen from grace. God be my witness, I never shall yield till we come face to face, till we come face to face. This place in the dark, mine is the way of the Lord. Those who follow the path of the righteous shall have their reward. And if they fall as Lucifer fell, the flame of the sword, stars your multitude, scarce to be counted, filling the darkness with order and light. You are the sentinels, silent and sure, keeping watch in the night, keeping watch in the night. You know your place in the sky, you hold your course and your aim, and each in your season returns and returns, and is always the same. And if you fall as Lucifer fell, you fall in flame. And so it must be, for so it is written, on the doorway to paradise, those who falter and those who fall must pay the price. Oh, let me find the tiny season, stay behind surely come a second time, one day more.
Until today, how can I live when we are parted?
One day more.
Tomorrow you will be worlds away,
And yet with you my world has started. One more day alone I will be today. One more day with him and Mary.
I was born to be with you.
What a life I had. On my shoulder I will be true. But he never saw me
One more day before the storm, I follow where she goes, and the barricade of freedom shines on the sand. When the ranks begin to fall, do I stay and do I die? Will you take your place with me? The time is now, the day is here. Into a revolution, we will nip it in the bud. I will join these little schoolboys, we will wet them down with mud. One day to a new beginning, every man will be a king. There's a new world for the reading. Do you hear the people sing? My place is here, I fight with you. One day more. Tomorrow's the judgment day. Tomorrow we'll discover what our God in heaven has in store. One more dawn, one more day, one day
Sa'n rhyfedd bod ni wedi aros am 25 mlynedd hefo diwedd act 1 fel yna. Chi methu peidio mynd yn ôl am yr ail act neu. With the first act finishing like that, you can't do anything but go back for the second half. But there's no half here. We're going on. And we're moving on now with more Lloyd Webber, Music of the Night, Andrew Lloyd Webber. A wedyn, da ni'n mynd i gael sioe anghyfarwydd, sioe ddim mor boblogaidd â hynny, ond mae'r gan yma'n sefyll allan allan ohoni. A show that's not that popular as a stage musical, but this song is sung quite a lot. Tell My Father out of Civil War. And then we will have, so Rodri will sing Tell My Father, and then Elin Wyn Williams then will sing Still Hurting out of the last 5 years. And I'll tell you a little story about the last 5 years. It's a very unusual show. It's only got 2 characters. Dau gymeriad sydd yn Still Hurting. Mae'r ferch yn dechrau ar gychwyn, wel, ar ddiwedd y garwriaeth, a mae'r bachgen yn dechrau ar ddiwedd y garwriaeth. So the girl starts the show at the end of the relationship, and the boy starts the show at the beginning of the relationship. It works its way all the way through, where they're happy for one song and then they go the other way. So it's a very interesting show by Jason Robert Brown. So Ellie Wynn will sing Still Hurting, which is a song right at the beginning of the show. It opens the show. The character, she's singing about, well, her boyfriend that didn't treat her that good. So Still Hurting. So music of the night, Tell My Father, I'm Still Hurting.
Unfurls its splendor, grasp it, sense it, tremulous and tender. Turn your face away from the garish light of day. Turn your thoughts away from cold unfeeling heart, and listen to the music of the night. Close your eyes and surrender to the darkest dreams. Purge your thoughts of life you before. Close your eyes, let your spirit start to soar. You've never lived before. Softly, deftly, music shall caress you. Hear it, feel it, secretly possess you. Open up your mind, let your fantasies unwind in this darkness which you know you cannot fight. The darkness of the music of the night. Let your mind start a journey through a strange new world. Leave all thoughts of the world you knew before. Let your soul take you where you long to be. Only then can you belong to me.
sun didn't run or surrender, that I bore his name with pride as I try to remember. You are judged by what you do while passing through. As I rest 'neath fields of green, let him lean on your shoulder. Tell him how I spent my youth, so the truth could grow older. Tell my father when you can, I was a man. Tell him we will meet again, where the angels learn to fly. Tell him we will meet as men, for with honor did I die. Tell him how I wore the blue, loud and true, through the fire. Tell my father so he'll know I love him so. Tell him we will meet again, where the angels learn to fly. Tell him we will meet as men, for with honor did I die. Tell him how I wore the blue, proud and true, like he taught me. Tell my father not to cry, then say goodbye.
nothing to earn. Maybe there's somewhere a lesson to learn, but that doesn't change the fact. That doesn't speed the time. Once the foundation's cracked, and I'm still hurting.
Jamie's a bit of a fool if you ask me. There we go. The next two songs are coming from the guy Saesneg am Gladgarol. Help me out.
Patriotic.
Patriotic. We're going to first of all have Weedon out of Miss Saigon. There they are, boys. The next two numbers are for the boys. And then we're going to have Anthem. Not Heimwad and Hadai, but the famous one from Chess. Written by the guys that did the boys from ABBA, isn't it, Benny and Bjorn? This was their first attempt at a musical before Mamma Mia. And you know the scream that that has made over the years. But this song is fantastic, Anthem, out of Chess. So Bwydoy first, and then Anthem.
The dust of life, conceived in hell and born in strife, they are the living reminder of all the good we fail to do. We can't forget, must not forget, that they are all our children too.
Like all survivors, I once thought, when I'm home I won't give a damn. But now I know I'm torn, I'll never leave Vietnam. War isn't over when it ends. Some pictures never leave your mind. They are the faces of the children, the ones we left behind. They're called Bwydoy, the dust of life comes
He Lives in You, out of The Lion King. Nathon ni ganu hon yn ddiweddar ar Cor Cymru i orffen ein set a hefyd nath ni wneud o hefyd y llynedd er mwyn cael ar rhaglen Don't Stop Believing hefyd. A beth sydd ddorol ydy mae ma grŵp gwahanol yn dod a mae'n gofod dysgu'r dance moves. So, mae'n eitha diddorol. Ond He Lives in You ydy hon allan o'r sioe gerdd Lion King. Ac wedyn ni'n mynd i newid y tôn yn gyfan gwbl. We're going to do He Lives in You out of Lion King, and we're going to change the tone completely to a Robert Arwyn song, to Dagfraid Glaw. And even though Ellen, she won't mind me saying this, she's through now to Ysgoloriaeth Bryn Terfel. Mae Ellen trwy o'r Ysgoloriaeth Bryn Terfel. Ddim am ei llais i, wel, ia, am ei llais i, ond fel yr actores nath ennill y prif wobr, a da ni'n brod iawn ohoni hi. Yn Ysgoloriaeth Bryn Terfel hefyd. So, pob lwc i fi hi am y gystadleuaeth yna. So, wedyn Dagfraid Glaw gan Robert Arwyn. So, He Lives in You, and then a complete change to Dagfraid Glaw. pen yma yng Nghymru gyda Eri'r Penguin. We're going to finish with Eri'r Penguin. And the only soloist that you haven't seen as yet is that young gentleman in the middle there, Robin. And this is the final time Robin will perform with the Intercalaco again. A Robin yn graddio eleni. Ac dyma'i berfformiad ola fo. Felly, Eri'r Penguin I orffen am heno, a diolch yn fawr iawn. A hefyd, gael gymryd y cyfle yma I ddiolch i'r Pedorfa arbennig ma tu ôl I mi. Wrth gwrs, diolch yn fawr iawn I chi am ddod I watch ar ôl ni. A hefyd, Rhywun yn y Cefn, yn cuddiad y Mancwr. Diolch yn fawr iawn, boys. Ydych chi'n fawr fantastic. Eri'r Penguin.
Hefyd neu ryw hon, y fi hawlia fawr ym mhobol